Unpacking the HP DeskJet 3700 printer series. The first thing you do is break the tape and open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the power cable. You might receive a USB cable depending on your region and where you purchased your printer. This is the ink caution sheet, which warns you to not ingest the ink. Next is the number 65 black setup cartridge. When setting up your printer, you must use these setup cartridges or the setup will fail. Depending on your region and specific model, the cartridge number might vary. Here is the number 65 tricolor setup cartridge. Here we have the HP Instant Ink card for this printer. In some countries, HP offers a subscription service for replacement ink on certain printer models. If you subscribe, your printer will order ink automatically for you based on the subscription plan that you choose. This is not available for all HP printers. Rotate the box to access the printer. Holding the box, grab the printer and slide it out. There are some additional leaflets and guides to review. This is the setup guide for this printer. This has the written steps for setting up the printer. Next is the Get Started guide, which includes information on additional features for your printer and has some basic troubleshooting. Next, remove the styrofoam end caps from each side of the printer. Break the plastic and remove it from around the printer. Grab the power cord that was set aside earlier and remove the twist tie. Plug one end of the power cord into the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. In this video, we are using a power strip, but HP recommends using a wall outlet for best performance.